Romeo, what do you think? You got senior day coming up. What's it going to mean to?
It's going to mean a lot. Time fly. My dad's coming down. It's going to be his first home game. He's coming to see me play, so it'll be pretty special. My little brother coming to.
Where's your dad from?
I live from the Panhandle on Fort Walton Beach, so it's just been hard for him to get down, like travel and stuff and work. So.
Did you see the official game?
Yeah, he came to the official game, so he was proud. Got to see me walk out there, captain and stuff. That's pretty cool.
Is that motivating for you guys? The last game at Hard Rock and knowing it's senior day, how does that affect you?
Yeah, we want to go out with a bang. We're practicing hard, working hard. The underclassmen, they want to leave us out on a good note, so we're going hard too.
Hey, Romeo, how's Gil come along behind you? He'll be the guy, I guess, probably next year. So can you talk about his progress?
He's coming along really well. He's really smart, and at the beginning of the season, he would get a lot of burn, and then it just kind of faded a little bit because I've just been wanting to play more, and I'm definitely tired. And he's understanding that, he isn't getting in his fields, and when he does get in, he's making plays and doing what he got to do. So his future's bright for him. He's gonna have about 2-3 years at this position, so he can really excel. This position is changing in college football. You want more speed on the field, so it's gonna be really good for him.
What does Gil rank as far as the most hyped player?
He's up there, top 3. Yeah, he's up there for sure.
Top 3 with who?
Most hype of Jalar for sure.
Yeah.
Zach coming along, Keontra. So.
Okay, Keontra, yeah.
Do you think the 2 wins now in a row against good teams, how much does that help propel you guys and just the whole bit?
That's definitely motivating. We're just trying to stack these wins and come out, and we're practicing hard. We can see it. We had a great week last week, so we're trying to keep that going this week. And we got another good team coming in. They're probably the best offense we've seen, so we're preparing hard for them to see how it goes.
I asked Jimmy about a bowl game. Is how important is it to qualify? I know you need one more win, but qualifying for a bowl, where does that rate among the players?
That's ranked how we want a bowl win. More practice for the young guys, and just another game for us too. And I like being with these guys, so the most time I can be with them, and I'm enjoy it.
Does it matter which bowl game you go to?
It don't matter. Just go out there, play, have fun, enjoy the experience. The experience is the best part.
Romeo, compared to the first 2 or 3 weeks of the season, is the team practicing at a different level somehow now? Can you quantify that at all?
I feel like nothing changed. You see how the games, we're a couple plays from being undefeated, but nothing changed. We're just practicing harder, playing harder, and just fixing what we did wrong, and how we just get better, stacking these wins.
And what about defensively? 3 of the last 4 games have really been strong defensive performances.
Yeah.
I know that was kind of the week when Manny said he was going to become more involved. Yeah. What difference has there been?
The guys are just locked in more. You got Diaz coming out there and watching you scout team. You don't want to mess up because he's going to get in you. And everybody just been seeing that. They're playing hard and practicing hard, and it's paying off.
Manny also said that the team is gaining the right type of confidence right now. Not like a confidence and we've got it all figured out. Maybe has been
just striving to get better. Yeah.
So what do you kind of attribute that to? Just taking the right approach to all this, the recent success of the last 2 wins.
We just know there's still a chance for us to get to Charlotte, so we just keep building and practicing hard and playing hard and let everything play out. We know we can get there.
Is that kind of amazing? I just thought on that about the Charlotte. We thought, and everybody did, that you were pretty much dead in the water, and now all of a sudden.
Coach created this. We looking at it, we be on it. We see all this stuff. There's still some scenarios. We went out, a couple teams lose, and boom, whatever.
Is that amazing to you?
Yeah, it is amazing because that was our ultimate goal. There's still a chance to beat it.
I want to ask one more, because your last game, closing out at Doak Campbell Stadium. What did I feel like that moment?
Oh, that was cool. Y'all know I'm from that area, 850, so I had a lot of people there, 16 plus people there, come see me. I know half the team there, so it was a good experience. One there on the road, it was fun.